Different coming up.
Ready to go. I am calling our assembly to order. Good afternoon. Nice to see everyone today. And Councilor Hurley, please lead us in the prayer and pledge.
I pray that people have gotten their shots, the 2 shots, now get their booster, protect them more. And for the people who have not had shots, or for children whose parents don't think it's such a good idea, I really hope that they reflect on that and hopefully make the right decision for the health and safety of their children. And I'm thanking the good Lord and everybody else for what hopefully is going to be a Thanksgiving this year, where families will be together and enjoy the holiday season as we have not been able to do for far too long. Amen. Pledge allegiance to the flag.
United States.
And to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay. I recognize Councilor Iannella for a motion to record advice and consent for the financial warrant.
So moved.
Second. There's a motion and a second. Favor say aye.
Aye.
And I recognize Councilor Devaney for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries public and justices of the peace.
So moved, Lieutenant Governor.
There's a motion and a second. All in favor say aye. And I recognize Councilor DeCapua for a motion to record advice and consent for the appointment of Pacifico M. DeCapua Jr. to the position of Associate Justice of the District Court.
Happily so moved.
Second.
Second. There's a motion and a second.
I just want to say that I'm really pleased, and I want to congratulate the administrators to choose this nominee. And today, 56 years old, he has a lot of experience. I got a lot of calls. And to have Judge Eustace and Judge Calagiani to recommend him, there's not enough said. Even in his community, he's very involved. And even I got a call from one of the selectmen there in Milford, and he talked about how he sees him at church every week with his family and everything. So he's just a good person and well qualified. Thank you.
We may begin the roll call.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Pleasure, yes.
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 Thank you. We have a new nomination today. Christine D. Anthony has been nominated to the position of Associate Justice of the Probate and Family Court. This falls within your district, Councilor Devaney.
I just want to preface my remarks to say that I haven't got the results of my redistricting. I've lost Westboro to Councilor DePaula. So this may be my last Westboro, appointment that I will be presiding over. So I have set it for, I didn't hear it.
Let us know if you were giving it to Paul.
Okay. So I set it for December 1st at 1 p.m.
Point of information, if they're voting on it today, does that affect it for the hearing?
It would be effective in January.
Okay. All right, what was that date?
December 1 at 1 p.m. Thank you.
That concludes our business today. We're not on for next one. Okay. So I wish you a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends, your family, in good health. It's going to feel a lot different than last year.
Coming in next week? We have to cancel the caterer, right? Caterer coming in?
Well, send them to my house.
Bad address. We'll send it.
Great check. All right. Thank you, everyone. Have a good holiday.